Baby Rabbit and the DS. Bored, 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 bored. I know what I'll do. I'm going to go for a walk. Wanna come too? Actually, no. I'm going to play with this thing. It's called a clapper. Shake it, it works. Boring. Now I'm going to go for a walk. Dun, 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 dun. What's this? I don't want to sit to this. They're really rare. Open it up. Turn on. That's not turning on very nice. DS. I've never ever played a DS before. I forgot to tap it. Okay. Don't know what to do. I think this is what I do. Oh, it's Super Mario Bros. Here, let me can stand up. Don't know what to do though. Oh, that's B's to jump. Shouldn't it be J for jump? What's that? I grew up. Jump, 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 jump. Jump, jump. They broke. Jump. More mushroom to make me grow up. Hey, I shrunk. Stupid mushroom. That must be enough to make me grow up. I died! Oh, I died. Maybe. Don't know what's happening. I died. Did you see me die? That's to make me grow up. Oh, so the ones with the red hats are the ones to make me grow up. Bad mushroom. Bad mushroom. Woo, I jumped over the cliff. Wow, huge mushroom. I'm giant. Look at me, I can jump forever. I'm huge. I'm smashing everything in my way. I'm huge. I'm huge. I'm huge. I'm green. I'm green. I'm huge. And I nearly died. Ooh, a green mushroom. I don't know what that's for, but whatever it is, I like it. I did it! Look, me! I did it! 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 I'm sick of this game. I'm going to turn it off. Hey, the stylus is gone. There it is. That was a good game. It was called Mario Bros, wasn't it? Yeah, I thought so. I'm going to play my clappy thing now. Oh, it's over here. I keep dropping it. Here it is. Clap, 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 clap. Hey, it's good if you're like a kid and you want to clap for something. Hey, you know I just won a chess game. I'm applauding myself. That's the crowd going, yay, yay! What about you completed the game? I'm going to go play it again. Yeah. Quick, let's turn it on fast. Come on, load. You're loaded. Load faster. Oh dear. Load faster. on, come on, come on. Yay! This is so much fun! Yay, done! And that's the end of Baby Rabbit and the DS.